Hello guys, welcome to Corporate Excel Experts. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Hlookup formula in Excel. So as you can see, this is our sample simple database which we just made it to just to show you guys. So here in the first row itself we have the name of different people. We have the professional experience of them in the second row, and we have their age in third row, and we have their salary in the fourth row. So in the HLOOKUP sheet, we have some of the employee names. So what we need to bring here, we need to use the HLOOKUP formula, because as the name says HLOOKUP, it's a horizontal lookup. As you can see, the data is in horizontally in the database sheet. So that's the reason we are using HLOOKUP formula here. So by using the HLOOKUP formula, you need to bring their experience, their age, and their salary. So what I'm going to use the HLOOKUP formula here now. HLOOKUP, open bracket, select the name, the lookup value, what you want to look up to get the experience of this person. So I'm going to look for the name in the database and bring the experience here. So once you selected the lookup value, comma, second, it's asking for the table array. Table array is nothing but the database, the array of the database. So I'm going to select the database range. So I'm going to select these four columns. So this become our array, table array. So just give comma. As you can see, row index number. So we need to find out the experience of those people. If you can look up, this is what we have selected. This is the range. If you can see, the experience is in the second row of our database, or the range which we have selected. So you need to give 2 as a row index number here, comma. And as we said, we always look for the exact match. Either you can give 0 or you can just double click on it. So I'm going to double click on it and close the bracket. Once you did that, just hit the enter button. So make sure before you hit the enter button, you need to freeze the rows which you have selected. So why we need to freeze the rows is, when you drag down the formula in the main sheet, the rows will keep moving. So that's the reason we always need to freeze the rows. How you need to freeze the rows is, you just have to select the rows or the table arrays, row 1 to 4 here. So I'm going to press F4 in the keyboard so that it gets freezed or it gets locked for only for those rows. You can see the dollar symbols here. That means it's locked and it will not move when you drag down the formula for all the other employees. So just hit the enter button. Now you just have to drag down the formula. Now you can see we brought the experience from the database for all these employees. Alright, so this is how you can use the HLOOKUP formula. And now, as you know already how to use it, I'm going to bring the age for these people. So what you can do, either you can just start with a fresh HLOOKUP formula, or you can take the one which you already put it here. You can just copy it, it is easier, and paste it here. The only thing which you need to change in this formula is, everything is, the range is fixed and there is no changes here, and the lookup value which you have selected will be the same. That is what you are going to look for, age as well. And the table array which you selected is fixed, and this should be exact match. So the only thing which you need to change here is the column index number. That means, as I already said, age is in which row of your range, table array, or the database. This is in the third row of our range or the table array. You can just give 3 here. See, you can see the age for this person. So you can just drag down the formula so that the formula can be applied for all other employees as well. Now you got the age here. So what the last thing remain is the salary for these people. So what you can do is, you can just copy the same formula and you can just paste here. Alright. So as you already know that we have salary in the fourth column, or sorry, fourth row of our database, or fourth row of our table array which we have selected is data in the database sheet. So just have to make it 4 here so that the formula brings the salary from the database sheet. Hit enter. can see the salary here. So now just drag down the formula till the end. So here you can see the salary for all these employees. So this is how you can use the HLOOKUP formula to bring anything when your database in horizontal form, not in the vertical. So that's when you can use the HLOOKUP formula to find out the values using the HLOOKUP formula. So I hope you learned something new today. If you have any questions, any doubts regarding this, or if you want to upload any, if you want us to do some more videos on this, you can just put that in the comment section. So if you like the video, you want to learn more Excel formulas like this, please hit the subscribe button so that you can watch more videos whenever we upload it. Thank you all.